We just saved. We just saved us some money. You know what I'm saying? Like I was about to charge me $200 to show up. Just to show up and take a look at it. You know what I'm saying? Shoot, boy. Alright, now I'm about to put it back up. I'll show you how easy this is. Let's put it back together. Give us engineering. Let's put it back together. See? That was it. That's it. That's it. You know what I'm talking about? We're copying out here. We out here for the hustle. For the moolah. Ching, ching, ching. Okay. That's it. This is what we found. Yep. See? Simple. Put it back together. Look for the mark. See the mark? Where's the mark again? See the mark right here? Line them things up. Back like that. Perfect fit. Boom. Got a brand new washer. Put the cover back. Simple like a pimple.